Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a farmer named Sam. Known for his wisdom and kindness, Sam had a small plot of land where he grew vegetables and grains to feed his family and sell in the local market. Life was simple but fulfilling. One day, as Sam was plowing his field, his plow hit something hard. He stopped and looked down to find a large boulder buried just beneath the surface. The rock was enormous, jagged, and right in the middle of his most fertile patch of land. Frustration bubbled up inside him. "How can I grow crops with this obstacle in the way?" he muttered to himself. Sam tried pushing the boulder, but it wouldn't budge. He fetched his tools and attempted to break it apart, but the rock was too sturdy. Exhausted, he sat under a nearby tree, wiping sweat from his brow, and contemplated his next move. Word about the boulder spread across the village, and soon curious neighbors gathered around. Each had their own opinion. "This boulder has been here for generations," said an old man. "My grandfather told me about it. It's impossible to move." "Why don't you just farm around it?" suggested another. "You could use it as a landmark," added a third. "At least it's unique." But Sam was not one to give up easily. That night, as he lay in bed, he thought about the problem. "Surely there must be a way," he said to himself. The next morning, he woke up with a plan. Instead of focusing on removing the boulder outright, he decided to work around it, but with purpose. He began digging a trench around the rock, widening it bit by bit. Days turned into weeks as Sam toiled tirelessly. Slowly, the base of the boulder became exposed. To his surprise, the rock wasn't as deeply rooted as it had appeared. Encouraged, Sam recruited a few strong villagers to help him roll the boulder out of the field. With great effort and teamwork, they succeeded. The boulder, once an immovable obstacle, was now out of the way. But Sam wasn't done yet. He had another idea. Instead of discarding the boulder, he decided to carve it. Using basic tools, Sam began chipping away at the rock, shaping it into a bench. Over several months, the rough stone transformed into a smooth, inviting seat. He placed it under a large banyan tree at the edge of the village, turning it into a resting spot for travelers and villagers alike. The bench became a symbol of perseverance and resourcefulness. Villagers often shared stories while sitting on it, and children played around it. People began referring to it as the Wisdom Stone. One day, a young man from the neighboring town visited the village. He saw the bench and asked Sam about it. Sam recounted the story of the stubborn boulder and how it had taught him an invaluable lesson. "Life will always place obstacles in your path," he said. "You can either let them defeat you or find a way to turn them into something meaningful. Challenges are like unpolished stones. With patience and effort, they can become something beautiful." The young man was inspired. He shared the story in his town, and soon people from nearby villages began visiting to see the Wisdom Stone. Sam's story spread far and wide, reminding everyone that perseverance, creativity, and a positive mindset can turn even the toughest challenges into opportunities. And so, the once annoying boulder became a cherished landmark, and Sam's tale became a guiding light for many. Every obstacle in life carries within it the potential for growth and transformation. Instead of avoiding or fearing challenges, embrace them. With persistence, creativity, and the right attitude, you can turn life's boulders into stepping stones to success.